Who would have thought it, you said? Because I love this little flick-flack of a road just here. So it's completely throwing you from left to right all the way along. I mean, this is what you want in a road. And this is just fun. This is just absolute bloody fun. Then I'm going to have to slow down because we're into a town. We're into a town, guys. Behave yourself, Mark. Slap on the wrist. You're going too quickly. It's a beautiful day for a ride. Temperature's currently about 27, so it's nice and warm. It's not too humid. There's no breeze, but there never is. There's only a breeze when you don't want one. The teepees in the garden. I'll be glad when I can get out of the city and back out of the town and into the wild. And here we are. Well, that was me, guys. Target fixated. Shit. Now you see what I did then. I was so busy looking at what was coming that I suddenly turned the handlebars, which is exactly what you're not supposed to do. So it went into near tank slap and put me towards the verge that I was heading towards. Now I'm not going to cut this out. I'm going to leave it in because that just shows that if you're not completely focused and in the oil, you can make some stupid fucking mistakes. And guys, that was a stupid fucking mistake, and that was me. That wasn't Sam's fault. Sam got me out of it. The built-in steering damper that looks after the K1600 cosseted me. It looked after me big time. So I'll just reiterate, that was a stupid error by me, because I was too busy looking for what might be coming and actually not watching where I was going. And it's as I've always said, a motorcycle goes where you look. So I was looking to the far side to see the verge, to see if there was anything coming on the disappearing line. And then I'd set myself up, because I was looking for the disappearing line instead of moving my disappearing line, which is what I should have been doing. So Sam saved my skin again. Now, no one has entered yet to win the Power Bronze headlamp protector. So what we'll do is, whoever comes up with the funniest caption to go with my fuck up can have the Power Bronze, because I need to post it out for you anyway. Now, I'm not going to head towards Riedenberg. I'm going to head towards Buch, because that will then take me up into a whole different area and then bring me back so I can come back through that way. And then this has quite a nice little windy road up here. Beautiful scenery. You got the hay coming up, so I've got to slow down because this is Buch. So jawohl, and a greenie. So I got a green one that time because I was a good boy. Now the thing is, you'll notice as well, when I did make the fuck up, I didn't panic. I didn't freeze. When you freeze, that, believe it or not, is when you do end up having a proper tank slapper and a real bad accident. I stayed fluid, knowing full well that Sam was going to save me, and these tyres were going to grip and make certain that I didn't have a problem. And don't we love ABS? Now this is a nice tight bend, if I remember right, and quite a narrow one as well, so I've got to be very careful. Oh, not too bad. I mean, look at this. You don't get roads like this everywhere. This is stunning. Look at that, green again. I don't know, you can lie to these machines really well. Slow down for horses. Now there's over the river, and what I'm going to do is come down back on that road, so let's go. Make certain nothing's coming. That's cool. And then a nice handful to get up to 6th. River's running well. Sam's running beautifully. The sun's out. All is right with the world, apart from the fact that there's a war going on in Ukraine. It's kind of fucked up, isn't it? Right, now this, to this, to this, and then we are going to be heading on the nice roads that we saw on the way in. I decided I'm not going to have coffee in Riedenberg. I'll have coffee when the battery runs out, so I'm going to do it that way so it's easier. Now that was a 6th gear roll on, so that was impressive. And the tyres just dig in and go. Don't pull out, car. I did not want to test a high-speed brake because I've just done that one. I think if I'd have done it this time, it might have put some brown streaks in my denims. Over the river again, and now we've got a nice little gentle ride through the external part of Riedenberg, which is over there, and then we can hit set 50 rides and then go home. And I can get some coffee. So I can see this. There's got nothing coming, and I'm gone, baby, gone. Engine braking puts a lot of pressure on the tyres, and the tyres behave absolutely faultless again. You know, it would be interesting to run a set of other tyres against these. Somebody must have done it, but I don't see how there's a tyre out there that can match the GT. The Road Pilot 6 GTs are absolutely bloody amazing. Now this was where I got target fixated and was being stupid, so I'm not this time. Now you'll see we've got a scooter or something in front. So I'm going to let it go around the corner first, and I'm not fixated on that at all, otherwise I'd end up riding straight over the top of it. Now